Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike again, making a follow-up video on the last video I made for Cliff in Arkansas's 18 horsepower Evinrude. The name of the video was Gearcase Will Not Pump Water. Well, I found a missing retainer ring in it and got that part replaced and put it in my 5-gallon bucket over there, and it pumped water. Put it in the barrel. Ain't pumping water again. So I drained the barrel now. I'm gonna take the gear case apart. But first I'm gonna put it in my 5-gallon bucket and see if it pumps. Probably won't. So I don't know if there's something with that retaining ring falling out or what the deal is with this gear case, but no success. So I'll keep you posted on it. We're gonna get it going for Cliff. So any suggestions, just make a suggestion in the comment. Otherwise I'm gonna keep going on this gear case. Okay, so I got the gear case off of Cliff's motor over there, and I got it in the bucket. It's spitting water. Not as much as I'd like it. I'd like it to spit it up to here, and it's only coming up to here. And there is a little spray coming out of it when I run it, so I'm not sure. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my 18 that I know pumps water, and I'll put it on Cliff's boat motor, and we'll see if it spits and try to determine where the trouble is. I took my working 18 horsepower gear case off and put it in my bucket to compare the water spray. I say the water spray is about the same, but I'm gonna go ahead and slip it on that Cliff's motor and see if the trouble's in the gear case or the motor. Okay, this is what we got. I took Cliff's gear case and put it on my 18, and I got my 18 gear case on Cliff's 18. And I know that gear case is good. It was last time I ran it here. So let's run both these motors and see if we can determine where that trouble is at. Beautiful day here today. Alright, so my red gear case on here pumps water. That tells me the trouble is in Cliff's gear case right there, even though it was pumping in the bucket. So this is good. We're going to run my motor with Cliff's gear case now and see if... Alright, so I just ran Cliff's blue gear case on my 18 horsepower and no pumping the water. No water. Now what do you think the trouble with that gear case is? They both pump water in the bucket the same. They look like they're doing the same thing. What do you think that trouble is? I'm gonna have to come up with some procedure to test it to see what that is. So that's the end of episode 1. Stay tuned for episode 2, and we're gonna figure out what's wrong with Cliff's gear case. Well, see you on next video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. Alright, I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride, and remember, always remember and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.